Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off passcode on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up settings. Then scroll down until you find the Face ID and the passcode option. Just tap on that. Now it asks to enter your current passcode, and then you can scroll down until you find Turn Passcode Off feature. You can just tap on that. Then it asks you to enter your current passcode again. Just do it. And then just wait for some time. And as you can see, I have just turned off my passcode. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.